So hey, welcome back to our part 2. So yep, hard hair could go on Legolas. Legolas hair could go on him. So if you wonder what was hiding behind his fireman's hat, all this nice blonde braided hair. So let's pop off their bodies, because why not? So yep, it's compatible. Legolas is on Fireman, and Fireman, which is a little more looser than the actual Lego one, but it does, stay in there, as you can see, until you pull it out. So you have that. I know it's gonna be like, what about the weapons? What about the weapons? Fine, let's take Legolas' bow and let's pop it into his hand here to really see. Yeah, the bow is a bit tricky, even for Legolas. But yeah, the bow does go in his hand, so yeah. Now it's still range of motion, up and down. A lot more than a standard Lego fitter that just goes back and forth. And you have two different faces on Legolas, which is oh hey, I'm weird. And it's face. Yeah, these guys only have standard one face. But yeah, I'll put that one together later. But yeah, not that bad. I mean, for a buck for two fitters, that's actually a pretty good deal. Because I mean, if you go to the Lego store, they're charging you literally an arm and a leg, because you gotta buy, I think, the legs separately, the chest separately, the head separately, and I think they throw in one accessory, so it could be a helmet, it could be hair, and I'm pretty sure that's about it. They give you for free for 3 or 4 bucks. That's also what you pay for, a blind bag, little polygon bag, a little polygon blind bag for this Lego mini fitter series. Which you're Series 6, Pizza Man, Series 9, Hot Dog Dude, which, I mean, why would I pay, about 7 bucks for a little blind polygon bag, poly bag, Well, I could just go out and say, oh, hey, you know what, I want to figure, I'll just buy, the whole big Hogwarts castle set, for, 200 bucks, Which goes out a lot cheaper than, buying all the parts for the minifigures at select Lego stores, which, it's hard to find. And blind bags, they're blind bags, But, yeah, I mean, for 2 fitters, for $1, not that bad. I kind of like them. Yeah, they get the job done. If you put them next to a Lego fitter, they kind of look the same. Except, actually, they do have all the holes in the back of the blades, so that they could do the little sit studs that are on seats and stuff.